My people, this one, it shocked me. The chief defense staff don't cry comments. And the young people, for his Tinubu regime, cabinet, they say the Canadian embassy don't deny visa, make it come Canada. Normally, now a big disgrace to our nation. Let's remove the chief defense out of this. Normally, not be good thing to know, say, Canadian embassy deny our own chief of defense visa. Not be good thing. Anyhow, we tell look, yes, I understand the country is corrupt, whatever is happening, blah, blah, blah. But this one not be good thing to you, not be good thing to me, not be good thing to any of us who come from Nigeria. If you look at the way they look at. But now, we talked about this yesterday on my media, on NWATCH media. But this particular video I want to play for now, so I think it's not because of this video. After he don't grant this interview with Al Jazeera, now make the take decision. Because if it not end here, if it be say other countries will follow up, oh no, watch this video.
I just can't understand why anybody will wake up and say that we're killing people when we're actually not doing the same. And guess what? Where the Giwa barracks you were talking about, we have all the humanitarian agencies working there. You have the UN working, local and international organizations are working. Are we saying they are complicit? There is nothing we're doing in the back. So if they don't say it, which means Amnesty International is equal, and Amnesty is equally there. So which means they're equally accusing all these other organizations of being complicit.
So just to be clear, you would be prepared to go to the ICJ in The Hague and answer these accusations?
We're not scared of anything because we don't have anything of such.
We've seen Boko Haram regroup and regroup and regroup. What is your answer to that? That you have in some way fed the insurgents?
The problem is that I think we've talked to the international community. Let's find out the funding. When they started surrendering, by the time we left, so as we speak, we have over 120,000 that have surrendered. Most of them, when you find them, they are coming with hard currencies. How did they get them? How are they funded? How did they get the training? How did they get the equipment?
What is your suspicion?
Well, maybe an international conspiracy. You don't know. Who knows? How are they be able to sustain themselves for 15 years? That is one question I think everybody should ask himself. For Nigeria to be able to hold them, and you go to Nigeria, everything seems to be working well.
You must have an idea. I mean, let's not talk about international conspiracy theories. Let's give some hard facts.
Well, I just leave it at that. I'm sure they know, and I'm sure everybody knows that these are the challenges we're facing, that needs to be addressed. So the UN need to come in to ensure that, because we need to trace the funding. How are they sustaining themselves for 15 years?
What does the UN coming in mean? What does that look like?
Track the funding. It's international flow. We don't have control over that.
Whose interest is it to see Nigeria destabilized?
Well, I don't know. You don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.
We ask the question.
You see, if you listen to that video, we know they buy person, we know they do this, we know they do that. They come the corner, they ask them questions, different kind of question and all that. After you don't go grant that this interview there, I believe, say me, I don't know. I just say I carry this video, can't give you now. Whether not this video now the problem pass comment so. Wait till not think. Put on for comment section. Let us know, because this situation now where they happen for Nigeria, they affect everybody. Some people would say, no, Tinubu, the way it ain't win, Tinubu will fail. If Tinubu they fail, you and I they fail. Have that one in mind. Yes, some of you will be saying God forbid now, whether you like it or not. Petrol now they go up, you are buying it the same price. Kidnapping is going on everywhere, God forbid making no reach our place. Bad road, no electricity. As I talked to so no light for my house. As I thought to so if you are praying for our president to fail, have it in mind that whether you like it or not, you live abroad or you live in Nigeria, is also going to affect you. So the situation of, say, Canadian embassy denying our chief of defense staff visa means, say, is a disgrace to the whole nation. You might disagree, but what's your take on this? Put it on the comment section. Thank you.